Among the majestic mountains and lush forests of Villa Tunari, Bolivia, there is a place where hope is reborn and dreams take wing. L'Espérance is not just an orphanage. It is a home where around 60 children find love, affection, and the opportunity to build a bright future. Every day is a new opportunity to learn and grow. Our boys and girls develop skills that will make a difference in their lives. Here they receive psychological support, attend school, learn skills, play, and above all, are loved and valued. Despite the challenges they faced, here they found a dignified life full of happiness. But the best gift they receive is knowing the greatest love of all, the love of Jesus. Our mission goes beyond physical and emotional care. We teach each child that God has a special purpose for their life. Every day they participate in activities that strengthen their faith. They pray, study the Bible, sing and learn music, living in communion with God. None of this would be possible without the generosity of people like you. Your donation can transform lives and bring hope to these little hearts. Join us on this mission. With your support, we can bring love, hope, and a bright future to each of these children. Contact us and be part of this transformation.